What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at variables in Java programming. Now variables are basically placeholders. For example, if you remember in early schools, when you have, let's say we have x plus 5, and if the x is equal to 3, and the 3 will be hold for x, and 3 will be replaced with x, and we will get the answer 3 plus 5, 8. That's the same thing variables does. Variables act as a placeholder. Now here I'm going to introduce double type of variable, since we are going to put some decimal values. So double type of variable, let's name it as coffee, and then I'm going to give some value for this coffee. Let's say coffee is equal to 5.28. Now what we are going to do is we are going to print out coffee, and it's going to print out the value for the coffee. Now to do that, first I'm going to put system, system.out out.print I want, and I leave a gap here. Let's go to the next line, system.out system, or just copy paste, it's easier. I'm going to copy paste this one 4 times, actually 3 more times, or 2 more times. Let's put 1 more time right here and 1 more time. Okay, first I'm going to print I want, and I'm going to print the value of coffee. So to print the variable values, you shouldn't put the quad mark. You have to get all of them out, and in the round bracket you put coffee, the name of the variable. And after that, let's say I put movies. I want this much movies, and if you click this green button, you're going to see I want 5.28 movies. Okay, to make a gap in between, I put a gap right here. Okay, let's run it again. I want 5.28 movies. Now you can see this coffee value is replaced with 5.28. And let's see one more thing. Let's put print. You can also put print line. It will give the same thing. But if you type something after this print line, it's go to the new line. The line ln is for the new line, but it doesn't affect unless the next one comes. If you put it for the previous one, the movies will go down. Let's see that. So if I put the ln here, this movies will be printing down. See, same as that. Like if I put ln here, and let's type something else. Let's put apples. Okay, I copy this one, paste it under this, and let's put apple here. Apples. So this apple should go down since we have ln above that. So you can see I want 5.2 movies, and apples went down because of the print line statement. That's the difference between print and print line. And coffee, you can see variable, we shouldn't put a quad mark, and we should just put it in a round bracket. And that's all you have to know about variables. And I'm going to teach more of the stuffs in Java programming. I hope you guys watch that too. And if you're trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description. You can go ahead and access all the codes I have. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.